Yeah. Okay. So you can keep recording.
Then you'll build it up to that side.
Okay, what this is going to be is going to be a blanket weld, as they call it.
So I think
I'm just explaining so you know.
Bits here, yeah.
We're going to go again.
Yeah, so have it like this.
what's the idea?
Yeah, it's getting better. I'm going to go one more time. That might be the end part one or something like that. Okay. Welding. I reckon that's good. Just keep recording if you want. Is it still recording?
Yep. Turn it off.
No, just keep recording. We're going to dunk this in the water and see the end results. Okay, Jeff. I did the rest of that.
Yeah.
Like, about two,
Done.
sorry. And then I did it on that side.
Alright. Yeah, okay, you went a bit wobbly there in the centre. The
Yeah.
run's lovely.
My knee kind of shook because I was using my knee to support me like that as well. And my knee kind of shook.
No, that looks good. You can get an idea what you're looking for now, though.
Yeah. So it's done?
Yep. Alright.
Okay, thanks.
Low battery.
Yep. Wait a minute.